it made sense. It was something that when you think about where you're going to put your money, especially for a product that you're potentially going to get, it was both a business that I believed in, and it was a product that I could use in a daily life. Some of it's like a really good book. Some of it's a little bit of pride, and some of it is just is the novelty of it all as well. Like it's not something that happens every day, and I can't wait to see like how it evolves, because I've seen there have been through like what else is going to happen.
Keeping your yard in shape can be challenging, especially when your watering tools create more clutter than convenience. We're here to change that. Aquor is returning to our roots with a new Kickstarter campaign to launch 2 game-changing products. Meet the hose reel and utility spray nozzle, smart solutions that take the hassle out of yard maintenance. Both parts can be used separately or together, designed to provide you with an exceptional watering experience. The wall-mounted 180-degree pivot mounting bracket allows you to easily pivot the reel, providing full coverage for larger yard areas. With its auto-rewind system, the hose reel automatically rewinds the hose with minimal effort, keeping things neat and tangle-free. At the same time, our utility spray nozzle is easily adjustable, offering a stream width ranging from a wide cone to a narrow jet. It also features a trigger lock, reducing hand fatigue by locking the trigger in place for steady watering. Meanwhile, its advanced pressure control allows you to adjust the water pressure at the handle with ease. Both the reel and nozzle are made of UV-stabilized materials that withstand harsh weather conditions, preventing cracking or fading in sunlight and ensuring long-lasting use. Last but not least, both the hose reel and spray nozzle are designed for quick and easy setup in any yard. The hassle of irrigating your yard? It will soon be water under the bridge. Embrace a new era of effortless yard maintenance with Aquor's hose reel and utility spray nozzle.